Thank you. We're all tuned together, I think, right? For some reason, I feel like on this. All right, Fuji Rock, huh? All right, we're a band called My Life Story. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Thank you for watching. Even the people back there in the VIP 10 section. I understand. I wouldn't be in this cold rain either. But actually, I want to say thank you for Camp ZAMA and MWR for putting on these types of events. Even though it's raining, 最後までやらせてくれてありがとうございます。Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. All right, a couple more songs for you. This is a love song. It's called Butterfly Girl.
I don't know what I am feeling. Is there something wrong with me tonight? I should have walked away, they told me, but I stuck around and faced the fight. Try to sleep but you keep me awake. Close my eyes and see your smile. Can someone help me get rid of these stupid butterflies? Drink a beer and I hope you fade away. Say on my Facebook page another day. Look in your eyes and see you crying. I don't know what words to try it. We'll drink a lemon drop head green man. Every Friday and Saturday with you. Can someone slap some sense into me? I don't know what's right or wrong now.